Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can juggle an FC 24. So all you have to do is just to hold the left 2 button on your controller and then start clicking on the R1 just like that, and as you can see he is juggling right now. You can also do this with the R3, but not that smooth. Take a look. So you have to press each time the ball goes up, you have to release the R3 button. It will touch the ground and then you can juggle it for another time. So, but basically if you want to also lift the ball, you have to keep pressing the R3 just like that, and he's going to lift the ball and make this juggle in the air. It looks a little bit tricky, more tricky than the normal juggle. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.